In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome when Google search is showing the wrong location and how to change your Google search region the right way. This is super helpful if your search results are from the wrong country, the wrong city, or just not matching where you actually are. Google uses a few different signals to decide what location to show, including your device location, your IP address, Chrome location permissions, and your Google region settings. So if any one of those is off, your search results can look completely different. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome and Google fixes. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to google.com. Once you're on Google, look to the bottom right corner and click Settings. From the menu that appears, click Search Settings. This opens the page where you can control how Google search behaves. On the left side, click Other Settings. Now find Language and Region and open that section. Inside here, look for Results Region. This is the setting that controls which country Google uses for your search results. Click the country option, search for the country you want, and select it from the list. After that, click Confirm to save the change. This step alone often fixes search location issues, especially if Google has been showing results from the wrong region. If the problem is still happening, the next thing to do is clear Google location cache in Chrome. Sometimes old cookies or cached data can keep telling Google to use the wrong location even after you change the settings. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the two main options that can store old location information. Then click Delete Data and let Chrome clear everything out. Once that's done, refresh Google and test your search again. In many cases, that clears old location signals and helps Google recognize the updated region setting. There's one more very important thing to check. If you use a VPN or proxy, that can change your Google search location automatically. So if Google search is still showing the wrong country, turn off any VPN apps, disable proxy servers, and also check for VPN browser extensions in Chrome. VPNs often route your traffic through a different region, which makes Google think you're somewhere else. After disabling them, reopen Google and test your search one more time. At this point, your Chrome and Google search location should be much more accurate. So to recap, open Google Chrome, go to Google search settings, change the results region, clear cookies and cache, and turn off any VPN or proxy that may be interfering. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe because I post simple troubleshooting tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.